A good saw is indispensable to any toolset, and a powered saw is so much better. This is the reciprocating saw head attachment from the MultiEvo range. The MultiEvo range from Black & Decker allows one power platform to be used as a full range of power tools. With this compact system, you simply attach accessories for tools like a circular saw, jigsaw, router, drill, driver, sander, and more, allowing you to easily complete DIYs just like this one without having big bulky tools that take up space. A perfect gift for anyone. For more on each of these attachments, check out the clips. This is the reciprocating saw head attachment from the MultiEvo range. Very handy when trimming branches, cutting rough timber, PVC, and even thin steel pipes. The saw drives a 130mm blade at 3,200 strokes per minute and has an easy change lever for quickly releasing the blade. The attachment is very comfortable to hold, and with the pivoting shoe, the saw is also very easy to control. Overall, a very handy tool to have around your home. Now, this is just one of the attachments available in the MultiEvo range. For more, visit the builder's website or check out the YouTube channel.